ibhola liyasave. Mina before ngicela udlala ibhola bengibhema intsango. Ayisho ukuthi wrong.
Yeah.
But wina tournament kaSteven Pinaar bafethu igama le team. Hayi siliphakamisile endaweni eziningi.
Wait, so izamla ina trophy vele.
Yes, and inawo kama division. Yazi mina sometimes ngiyabheka before ngibheke na after ngithi ha. Ngoba sometimes ngijahele egymini.
Yeah.
After saying no, isikhathi sihambela. Yebo, asiyabuma 2 minutes nidle. That's why basithanda.
Yeah,
so ukuthi vele naye akwazi ukuphefumula ukuthi akalalela esifubeni. Okay.
1 round ithatha right 7 minutes.
Obvious. 7 plus 7 is 14. 2 rounds.
14 minutes.
14 minutes 2 rounds. I'm shy one base you alive. I'm shy one ngana yazi. Ayikho into enhlangisayo ne. Cha yini ka. Yini into angeke sakuthanda.
Hi guys, before we get into today's video guys, I have a huge plug around Soweto guys. If you are in Freedom Park guys, there's a lady named Julia guys. Please check her on Facebook. She does hair, she's a hairdresser. She even have a special guys. Island twist guys is 200. Then braid, just braid is 350 for 2 guys. Please check her out and let's support her guys. The t-shirt are still available guys. 200 each, 350 for 2. Thank you. Yeah.
Sanibonani bafethu back again. If benisikhumbulile thiwe besimkhumbule kakhulu bafethu bafana be technology. If umusha ku channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and press that notification button bafethu. Cela ningasipheleli amandla futhi yancanya too much. Igama lami uNtsako, intombi yeziyintombi bafethu. Angamnyiwani ngamba no
Shosho bafethu ethishafuna ngapha.
It's your boy Danese Tatsika Maritiba. Bafethu hayi namhlanje siphethe guest sengizolahlela intambo la guest yethu introduce.
Hi guys. So today it's me, the guy who's always behind the scene guys. So yeah, I got the invitation with yo fun but take back phone with Mbalana. So yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
Get bafethu. Yeah. So namhlanje bafethu so sikhuluma ngama celebrity crush. Yabo.
Yeah.
So umuntu uzositshela celebrity crush yakhe. Why?
Oh my goodness.
And why? Kathela uthi njalo izinto zizicale kimi make ngiphothe intambo karasi ke siza ukuthi lisiphatheleni. Skara futhi ne. Yeah, seyithathini. Yeah, ay ni crush yami. Yo. Bathu bani lokelo. Uzinqumalo ka.
Oh.
Yo, yo.
Yeah.
So you don't teach it. My sister, my born I left you.
Yeah.
Much love.
But too much Google on.
Yeah, kind of. It's I piano so.
Any high girl.
Yabo mangaba nemali ne. Yo. Yini lenga ngihlangisayo kuyo.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayikho into enhlangisayo ne. Cha yini ka. Yini into angeke sakuthanda.
So kade uyamkhalela wena kade.
Ngiyamkhalela that's why crush yami because mangajona ngecrush yabo ngeke last into yena ngithola so hayi ngamane ngidlule ngishaya ngidlule yabo so sixoxa yabo emoyeni.
But like if you were to bump with her, let's say a mall like a Southgate or something, what can you do?
Yo.
Like right now, let's say like uvaile nje like maybe you angazo phuma anywhere. It's either phuma game phuma elone epepi or anywhere.
Lelo langa
there she is.
Ikwabawa nje ngibeke side. Yo zine yo.
Ungeza like I wanna know ukuthi ungeza
if beni stuck erumini nithunda.
Yeah.
Kulunkulu.
Okay, let's say maybe you are stuck in an elevator now nje.
and awumazi
Yazi, futhi kuyashisa, bathi kuyashisa la.
awumazi ntwana nistakile la ni-2
Yo.
What can you do? Or say
Obviously vele bathi la makuvalekile vele mastakile nje kuyashisa yabo. So ukuthi vele naye akwazi ukuphefumula ukuthi akalalela esifubeni. Alala esifubeni. Bathi uyayibona le video my sister yo.
Yeah.
Bheka.
Sanko. Ana wena.
Mina ayababhayo bafethu.
Name 2.
2.
Yeah.
Ngibanda.
It took 2 years.
Yes, Shandi mama. Lazi.
Ushandesh.
Yeah, lesbian. Yeah,
Oh, yes. No way. Okay.
Ubani charisma ubani really.
Wait, ulona ilo usebenzi left ne?
Ubani Shandesh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Kuna lo ngibona ngathi majive ucala ngo left always.
Ayanginayo.
Ngama.
Ne.
Kuba ubani? Ngicrash yami ukubani ugama umphela.
Ngama.
Umphela.
Like I'm okay for na abantu aba active like yo.
Yes.
So lapha naye mshaya ngakhi.
Ubani
Mshaya ngakhi.
ubani
Kam. Kamshayi 1 bese uyalala.
Angishaya wani mngani yazi nawe nje leyo. Wani bese yalala yibaba. Hayi.
Yeah.
Sima kakhulu. 5 10. Akathali.
Cause I heard with ilona yenu okay, let me just put it the way it is. I heard with sex and lesbian, it takes time. Like you guys, like you are the ones when it comes to pleasing women, like in 13 number. Like I just heard like for real. No, like I just heard with it.
Right, bafethu yazi mina sometimes ngiyabheka before ngibheke na after ngithi ha. Ngoba sometimes ngijafela ejimini.
Yeah.
After saying no, isikhathi sambela.
Yeah.
Asabu ma 2 minutes needless. That's why that's time.
Yeah, but like no, but like okay, but like normally, ne? I'm not running away from your question, but normally, like normal hours or normal minutes that you guys take to please your person, or yeah, let me just say your person. How long does it take?
It depends with na perform.
Yeah.
But okay, I'm gonna start with you again. When normally you can say how many minutes?
Mina 7.
So 7 minutes.
7 or 10, yeah. 7 10.
7, like more shy.
Wait.
Like you're on the new one.
Yeah, around the new one.
Marantana mothola umuntu osheshayo.
Yeah, no, vele yabo. Mina ngimthanda umuntu manje
Ay. Okay, 7.
Yeah, 7.
Then umshaya like how many round? If ever like
okay.
one round it's at like 7 minutes.
Obvious. 7 plus 7 is 14, 2 rounds.
14 minutes.
14 minutes, 2 rounds.
Wena mngani.
Mara mina ayizinto zama-round ayi. Ngihlaba vele malele kithi ngihlaba kuze usale.
Shavula, how many girl?
Mina boma 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, per round. And then you end up going for how many rounds?
Mina maranda nga washana maranda 7.
Ne?
Yeah.
5. Oh yeah. Yeah, so it means in you guys take hours.
Yeah.
Ayona.
Yeah.
Martin umuntu performa.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yabona if umuntu perform.
Yeah.
Wena ngi
Oh my god. Oh, so did you crash?
Yo mina bafethu.
Oh, but like you
mina personally uShandi ngiyamncanya. Yazi umimi lesikhathi sakusine endlala. Mina uShandesh bafethu yo.
Shandesh. No, it's a Shandesh.
Ithama.
Yeah. Ilili lapha.
mara beside it sangimuhle and into ngiyenze ngathandile ikompo bengamanga ikompo hayi yabona ngithe mangibona nyana sengazicula flop
Besaka
Shandi mama yo I wish I attend one woman show so unfortunately
but now they're even having the compo balcon. Have you guys seen
mix inkinga lezazidinga yazi yabo mawukara wazi ukuthi khona la uzogidla khona
and manje mawuya ngale but like abona khona ngithi
imix yabi mnandi costana bajayivana VIP yani sijayivana abantu bajayivana intwana
and you have to have ilona yabo you have to share Nike so meaning ilona ibhini kumele ibe Nike
uyabo
track pants
ayabona for ushandesh
Ngayithenga bethi to.
Ngingana sejosi ngiyothenga ye-30
yo
Fanwe Mike angayigcoka futhi umntana oshandesh yo and intanga yami mina 22 cabanga
damn that's crazy
uphila impilo yabona umuntu wakhe ne
winning
uphila iphupho la yabo if bathi khetha ukuba into eyi1 elifini kaShandesh ngaba namahloni okusho ukuthi ngiyakhetha ukuba yini ngicaba ngakhetha ukuba ipaint ka hayi baba ngaba ipaint mara Shandesh bafethu
Samlanda ngibuya naye.
she keeps on getting hotter
every now and then when you're busy watching all these videos
umuntu wakhe winile
abo Shandesh nabo lona are they always maybe baya kuma live and whatnot
Shandesh live
oh that's nice
ayenza Shandesh yangichaza kana pride
that's how we keep touch
uzowasho kwenye video athi manje ngibone ningimemeza ngoba sometimes ngibe ngizibhekele phansi ngizitshela ukuthi ngine attitude kanti mina ngiboni ngizicabangela into za
ashaza zaka scotch naye
yabo Scott my attitude
Baba Scott my attitude.
Ose uthi baba mina
Scott mara Scott wakho mara baba
nayi
evarishandika that's all
my celebrity crush or my celeb crush there's this chick who was on Life Doesn't Cost a Thing but Christina Neal or something not local you don't know Love Doesn't Cost a Thing no way guys no a movie yaga Alvin Love Doesn't Cost a Thing
ngicaba
oh my goodness for real
nakhona romance
yeah it's like if I mean
la movie lawo man
no like
ababhekana 2 seconds
yes
like shit
no but like it's like a funny movie type shit because the guy started cleaning like pools na then agcina wele phulini whatever then he become this hot shot like every chick wants him while abantu bangamboni like yobona ngathi hayi ipopile you don't know Love Doesn't Cost a Thing
sicave
yeah
if beni stuck go elevator unozenzana awumcabi ni stuck ile ni 2
yeah now I was gonna faint out I don't wanna lie I was not gonna like act like tough like yo no I was gonna faint out yo you know what I'm telling you I was gonna faint out that's crazy that's my celeb crush and she don't get old yo iphumenini Paris
namsinga yabona Shandesh
yeah you're gonna faint out now
ngiyamthanda yo like doing ngimthanda yakho nengoma eli complaint mangenzi sense give me a sense
what are you saying oh even if it doesn't make sense as long as
kuno Shandi mama ayenzi sense Shandesh yo khona abantu abanenhlanhla la ngapha yabona bomimi so
someone
benzele because uShandesh simphupha sibaningi
Yeah.
asibabaya.
So actually, it would like each and every song yakhe unayo.
Efonini straight anginayo like angithi yabona lento yama-wife isimoshile bamela lapho lethu even before ngizalane ngikumamelile mama if ubhekile
Mamelile mama.
Yo!
Nakhona lapho mamelile.
Oh,
Mama,
Nakechi.
so bafethu umbuzo kani if so like khona ngithi ukuthanda ugele khona ukuhalela ugele so nangu lo gele yamhalela so ungayenzani like uyamshela noma uyamtshela straight ukuthi I mean mfethu na into engiyifunayo kodwa phela kusiwonke umuntu ombonayo umthandayo
Yeah.
Wait. Uyamkhalela like you just want to smash.
Uyamuhalela mara
Shanje. Yeah.
like what's your take cause
That's crazy.
mina I'm one person bafethu like yabona kulento umjolo ngikuyile like yabo so ngingathanda la like ukuzithola sengithanda ngibheka intombazane ithulu ngishela nana ngisayenza manje inkinga yami intombazane mangizomtext manje umtshela ukuthi mina ngicela yakwata athi ngithathela phansi and mina ke
Wait. So you've been like you once confronted a chick like straight with you.
ngitshela athi ngimjoyela but iqiniso nje akinyaki taba tsamaratu nyaka thobalana
No, but like but you can't do that. Though.
but okay amantombazane always preach ukuthi kungcono usho ukuthi uzofunana then the next thing mina more like a straight talker ngiyamtshela ukuthi ngiyamtexta lo mntana ngiyamtshela ukuthi mina mfethu kahle ne lento ukuthi ngizolibele ngithi
No, but like kune that thing ukuthi nathi as guys ne we do go through that thing ne ukuthi
ungathi as guys sonke singama guys
I understand. No, I understand. Okay. How should I put this? As which means but like now I once went through that journey with okay, now you're forced to lie. You're forced to lie with
I want you to lie.
Yo, because
what? I only love my girlfriend.
Yes.
but you can't say that because you won't get what you want.
Yeah, I prefer ukuthi ngimshele.
Yeah.
Ngimshele, that's why it's why at the end of the day ka lo mntana lo uzacanga ukuthi kawo like yena ngathi isiqila kimi ukuthi njalo.
Mara why would you lie? You just wanna smash. Khona ntwana lo muntu othi yazi mangashaya.
Abanye bokele bacanga ukuthi siyabayuza.
Mara basile ngoba yiba basitshelayo ukuthi khuluma into oyifunayo straight and masithi straight to the point.
Sometimes ungalaleli gele. Uzokulahlekisa.
Because now I understand.
Mina for mina ucamba manga esinye story bafethu like angikwazi nokushare futhi. So
What do you mean? Okay, unomuntu umthola kanjani umuntu ongakwazi ukushare?
umntana ne uthele mina.
Labantu
Always uthele mina. Asimshelile ndeni ushele.
Into ngama-lesbian awashare sometimes. Yeah.
No way.
Kamnandi ngokubayela. Maybe that's why ngingakwazi ukushela.
Yo.
Uzithola ku relationship and
Ungazi ukuthi ungene kanjani.
What are you guys saying? I hear you, but I don't get what you guys are saying.
Most girl like ex wami ngingatshela nawo angwashela.
Bashelewe.
Yabona lento
Yezwanga nje.
Iyazenzalela like obvious zomfuna yabo.
Okay.
Mara sengicina yabo seniyajola ukuthi kanjani nawo ucaca.
Is that possible?
Yini maybe ayikho possible.
so unfortunately ngeke uzishintshe ube yini.
But like I don't think that's possible because okay.
It is.
Back to kukulento isho ukuthi why amantombazana like mawatshela exactly ukuthi me I just want to smash dog. But feel offended. But feel like you don't appreciate them. You just want to use them. exactly what you were saying. But I feel like,
Actually, I do appreciate you, girl. I just wanna smell.
So it means when you just want
Mara if ngithi ngiyakuncanya uzofuna izinto ezizwa like umabona kumele ngicheck and I don't want that. And kuba yenye into still uzothi ngiyakuyuza if ngikutexta kuphela if I just wanna smash. So ngiyakutshela straight ukuthi can I smash?
No, but like I think the smashing part can only happens if you guys you are having like a vibe, you know.
Yeah.
Let's say mhlambe kune gig somewhere.
Say like I just wanna smash. Sphume la.
Bezazi
bayafana.
Yeah?
Hayi bonke bogini bayafana. Bakhona ba.
But understand that?
Yeah, ngiyakutshela. Ukhowe.
For real?
Ukhowe.
For my side, you have to lie.
Yeah, you end up getting you.
Nowadays, if ever let's say Umchita don't wanna say I love you, I have to act like when are we going out? Nah. I have to spend. You understand?
I mean, I don't like spending.
I don't know.
As you know, I'm a film believe ukuthi idla imali yakho nomuntu osokole naye.
Yeah.
So kuba nzima ukuthi ngibabheje. Because engisokole naye uyemelale. I mean,
what about the other one that you're
I don't care. I don't care. I mean, umunye umuntu bafethu mina umuntu engendaba naye girlfriend yami. If we are smashing call.
Yeah.
So it means now you must forget about smashing other kids, okay?
Yeah.
Uthembele kuwe ka uthembele ukuthi uzofika athi ka ngathi siyalambe makithi wayengathembeli kuye ukuthi ngizofika yini mara guys ayubheje cherry wayimele sibheje.
Yeah, that's true.
Angikushelanga ngemali angikuthenganga.
Sometimes uzokufuna imali le naye anganayo when uyithathe if
and kune something that like nathi that we go through uzumuntu athi ulale nami wena bolalephi what do you mean ukuthi umuntu uzothi ungilalile mahala you're part of these things. What do you mean ukuthi ngikulalile wena boyezani ayikho phela lento le ukuthi mina ngikulalile. No.
But nathi siye right ukuthi mara ngikukhamisile
yeah. That is very true.
You see, amantombazana wangathi awabene nokubhrika.
Now kahle amantombazana igame.
Then the next thing
because we are both having fun, or sonke siya enjoy. Then you want me to pay for umnani lo ukuzwile nawe. Yeah. Amantombazana. Guys. No. Because at the end of the day, we need this, all of us. Then you will say no, but like you can't let me mahal. I was like, yo. Hi, and about come and the heel of him. Which once you start demanding, which you are selling.
Not you should have a right to demand.
Yeah.
Come so get
It's fun. Yo.
Uthola ama hardcore. Meluzami ngazuzwe.
And I think I know right, most of it is fun. That's why I might end up bapegelela boni pair. That's why that 3 minutes chicken or that 2 minutes chicken mundas lalela because we ask to get fun. I'm still gonna pay for it. So should we man me? Because he's child. I have to look after me.
How?
You understand? Because I compare lento le uzumuntu athi hayi ungilala.
I am amantombazane full-time job bafethu.
Yeah.
I full-time job. That is so thin. Bona vele. I mean, amantombazane asikho.
Yeah.
Yini uzoyenza? Yini ngizoyenza now ta? Chill bafethu.
But like Sabating, as you guys say, is good. Sabating about even though he came very. I haven't in game and done. Now you must start better.
That's why laba bathanda izinto mele babhadalele laba. Abangathanda izinto. Laba abademandayo.
Yeah.
Thola lo thanda izinto ambhadalise.
Bayezwa tsako.
Bayezwa. Noma bangeza.
Okay, there's something that I wanted to ask you guys. Ne? Do you guys, as a abafana betake, ne? Now in pendula like Amales wonky. Do you guys prefer EPBL or natural?
Uqale ngathi.
Yeah.
Mina bafethu ay natural. Mina ngithanda natural.
Ne?
Ngenye into yazi yabonga nomzimba.
Yeah.
Angifuni umuntu onomzimba. Ngifuna ngibatha ama potato bathi bawabizana
Amagusaiza.
Big one, ne?
Yeah.
Besides
No, mina ngithanda ilenga bafethu.
ne?
Ngithanda baby.
Shavuru wena.
Mina hey nama BBL ay islenda bafethu yabo mara kakhulu ngathini yabatiki yabona labo yo ya
Kesi umuntu abehinya.
Ithanga yabona
yabona
Yeah. Plus ama BBL bacha squishy. Like
ayina BBM angeke mina ngithanda ukuka.
yeah.
And also okay opinion I feel like njengoba ngisidudla mangizojola nesidudla.
You're not even student, bro.
But
Okay, what did you say?
but obvious. Maybe ngani studla.
Yeah.
But mara understand like umuntu oson nje ngomzimba ne I feel like a relationship ibukeka messy because sisidudla soyithu ubani ozokuka omunye ubani ozoyenzani come on.
Oh, so when you prefer it then
Yeah, I prefer baby.
Slender never gets tired.
Wait. Guys, there's something that I'm not getting. Okay, all of you guys are saying natural, ne? But like why ladies are dying going to take it
No,
to get
inkinga
all,
ne.
yeah.
Like I feel like
Cause not
abafana.
yeah.
Not abafana be technology.
Yeah.
Abafana.
Yeah.
Bakha something engqondweni zabo chero ukuthi okay nanoma ngabe usilenda like udinga ithanga elingaka udinga amabele amangaka
Is it?
udinga obvious
No, but like no, we prefer like
you admire thick thighs, you admire spoon.
Look. Okay, we need that one there just for a far. Not good say I'm gonna have this my entire life. I don't wanna marry that. That one is like it's a road kill. It's for the road.
But okay, lento yeni obvious intombazana icabanga ukuthi ufuna for leso sikhathi. Bafuna ukubukeka attractive. Omunye uthola ukuthi akawuthanda umzimba wakhe. Obvious even abantu society make you feel ukuthi awenzi. Angithi ufuna mawuvela bathi yo umbonile abantu ba.
Yeah. But honestly speaking, ne, like the big bumps are for the road. We don't want to settle down with that. Nah, it's like yo, we don't for a far yes, we see umuntu maya show pride name, madlula na uchi dang. That's it. Iphelela lapho. Not ukuthi you gonna settle down. Yeah. There's not even a single guy wants that.
I mean izincanyela islender bafethi.
Yeah.
Bayazi.
Yeah.
Slender. Beka umuntu ophethe home. Ngiyabona nje lazi yabavela ayamthanda umuntu omkhulu vele yabona likhanda liphulu.
Maybe mina ne if like obvious if ngincipha ngomzimba. I would prefer thick but not amagusayizayo.
Yo,
But
if you lose weight because you are not even fat. Yo, uzobuminye umuntu ngaya ngathi pensele manje.
ngeke phela ngizipensela phese.
But ukudlula lapho.
Phela was fat Sithole maybe wena ubona nje.
Ngayimanzi.
Sengiyehlina sokusweni abengiso. Yes.
Oh, you say you were big like that.
Kuzamlo yo.
Not big
Kahle lokuthi yo.
but I was
I know. Kushukithi izamlo team yene. No yasha isipani.
bafethu.
Yeah.
If intombazane doesn't matter age yakho ufuna ukudlala ibhola bafethu. So ngale complex ngase Shoprite bafethu. If mhlambe nje interested and awazi ukuthi uzofika kanjani uhlala la around bafethu. Cela nitext usithole or kuma comment section noma unangaki.
Yeah.
Noma uyophelela kuphi.
Yeah.
Bafethu. Ngasabi.
So wait if you fuck. Danko.
Yeah. Boys and girls.
Yeah. Preferable. But in yeah, girls. But even amanye division you are welcome to join the team but besifuna nje amantombazane because
guys okay team yene is Gezela izamlo.
Zamlo nation izinto ezistrong.
Wait. So as you guys nibhizi in trainer lana ndlalela lana ikuphi lana zenaphuma nodlala khona you were like yo izamlo iphumile ke today.
Ngase ina daily behlala league.
Okay.
Saphuma number 1.
Yeah.
One draw no.
Oh no way.
Winner tournament ka Steven Pinar bafethu igama le team. Hayi siliphakamisile endaweni eziningi.
Wait, so izamlo ina trophy vele.
Yes, and inawo kama division under 11, under 13, under 15, under 17,
under
first
21,
team.
Yeah.
Umantombazane ke siyamixa because obviously awekho baya amantombazane. Yabo and nanoma sikhona siyahlukana ngama age so akakabi coach nama division because usafuna kuba nenye division ukuthi under 15 kanjalo. So that's why sicela abantu abafuna ukujoin. Nabu nomntwana ungamvaleli bazali.
Yeah.
Abazali banelento le ukuthi umntana makadlala ibhola um17 esibhaya. Umntana makadlala ibhola because
ngamisoka mfethu kube nje
yabo. Ngithola ibhola la save. Mina before ngicela ukudlala ibhola bengibhema intsango. Ayisho ukuthi wrong.
Yeah.
But since ngidlala ibhola ngiyazama ukavoid into ehlangana nesmoke.
Yeah.
Ama lungs mele function.
Yeah, that's true because you need that
so uyabona abazali banelento ukuthi unqabela umntana ukuthi adlale ibhola uthayenzeni kasi. Kanti mawusebholweni 4:00 maybe ubuye esikoleni ngabo 3:00 kunaleya 4:00 use grounding 6:00 usendlini ukhathele.
And ngaleso sikhathi uba fit even like to read because they are saying ukuthi ma exercise
ibhola mara leya savana so
khona nabazali bacabanga ukuthi babadlala disc bazobamale
sinabo ke amantombazana straight
singabekho la
so please bazali sanicela umntana uma kanjani ibhola ungabulali iphupho lakhe ngiyeke yodlala ngoba kusasa le ante round leya izokuyenza uphila impilo ekudala ifisi umntana wakho uzokuphilisa le impilo leyo.
So izamlo ize ya keep umuntu like from la then ayadlalela another team outside.
Babo Shafula bebadlalela iSasol.
No way.
Bayi so kontathathwa ivet intwana.
Shout out. Okay, so ngiyapusha.
Ngingathatha ucoach exality.
Yeah, now.
Bafethu yabona ebholweni libe ne discipline.
Yeah.
Discipline yabona discipline.
Yeah.
Futhi yabona ne mentality ingqondo futhi esebenzisa ebholweni. Plus ikhona into engifuna ukuyisho njengoba nje sisu amantombazane siyazo scout so. Khona labantu laba engeke mashini basicela imali. Ukhumbula Shavula? Yo.
Wait. Bancela imali.
Like bayasithatha ne?
Okay.
Basisela. bafuna ukusikhiphisa imali then bashaya ngathi siyilima and thina obviously ma uyithime big nyana like ina clubhouse na yonke into obviously manje providing a transport hayi njalo mina ngikhipha imali yami ebhodeni njalo ngihlezi ngiyala into esikhabathile lento le kube nje mazethu
Ntana wena ke une discipline ukuthi wena
straight.
That's why uskara nje opportunity mdluliso cause imali transport yokuya ku training.
Si mama ningantonethela bafethu.
Le baze bacela ukuya ku training ngayi3 evini because of imali.
Wait, ngale sesikhathi bolona bo train up.
Uzamlo bamthatha uzamlo.
So don't you guys go around like Freedom Park ngicela ama donations? No, ningaye nothing.
But if someone is watching bafethu.
Yeah, guys.
Please.
Sponsor izamlo guys. If kunomuntu who's busy watching these guys, if you wanna come through, it's even if ufuna ukudonate ngama socks, ikhindi nani, just ask them ukuthi ijesi bagcoka ijesi enjani nani yeah
samkela enikhala ejezini samkela
mara sithanda green
yeah
mostly green
mara not kuphela kuma kits nani obviously nama equipment okujima
yeah even amalona ama cone yeah
guys obviously yazi thina singathini under development
yeah that's true
so into eziningi asinazo yabo
siyapha
so you guys are pushing mus
kakhulu need to speak out going Steven Pinar sibona si
hey wina noma bani
Steven
damn you guys are pushing
coach you push
no you guys are putting effort
coach
yeah
I shout out to coach
shout out to yeah
coach X coach Chico coach Kuto coach Musa
like
no coach Q la khona
Dako bafethu
this is so nice guys
especially
like
and you guys don't talk about these things like so much
yo banetemba fire
but sometimes we disappoint
Maria boni it's a game of winning
lento le randavule le yajika le lento le if you favoranga hey
that's why coach ahlezi athi respect lento abanye isinko sawo
yeah
but ngicela nje thina sizicelela nje abantu abanye experience ebholini
abantu bafuna ukusponsora
nomuntu ozibona ngathi hayi yena sekuphelile ngayi guys thina 2 minutes nabantu ababuya kusasoli nabantu ababuya Hollywood if uhlulekile buya uzoqalela phansi
siyokhambisa thi
lempilo idinga uncenye
and akunabantu abafikayo like bazo scouter for ama training for nina and stuff
bayafika
okay
mara bathanda ukuskema yekelani ukuskema
ukuthi nje laba bake bafika vele bafika baskema amajita bathatha I think abantu uku Ayanda TK Ayanda uShavulu TK Toxic that's why coach athi before via no ngicala khulume naye
oh yeah aba like a middleman
because ngithi abanye bayafika bazokushaya ukuthi udlala kamnani mongenze team you get this and end up ukuthi kushayeka ngoba obvious ma umuntu uyadinga uzibona usamwe kusasa ufuna uhlala uzibona ura yabo so it's better ukuthi nanoma ngabe ufuna uzibona somewhere thatha indlela right ezokufikisa la ufuna yakhona nanoma ngaba ufiki buya uzoqalela phansi
no shout out to you
guys. Never know who's watching
yeah you guys are doing like the right thing guys yo I don't want to lie to you you guys are doing and I think maybe sometimes you guys must have like ngiyacabanga manje and I'm saying these things on camera you guys should do like even as izamlo ne like niba like nama predictions so figure like I don't know but like just let's say league PSL which like let's say Sheffield bona ngathi Chiefs izothatha like a certain cup it's either Nedbank Cup or M108 or whatever then nibe another thing which no like there's no way ukuthi Spanbana angathatha what on the last season bamfake bencheni kanjani bangena ngamayini a substitute nana nibe na another thing as like is yangithatha You feel like I know, man. Damn, this is crazy. Now you like yeah. Actually,
That's one day.
if you guys have like a match or something, like ninja.
Maranking most of the time ahlale like us
like boma next sidlale Nike. Sidlale Nike sasa nini?
La elo nini?
Sidlala nani?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
Wait. Ndlala nini Nike?
Tomorrow.
Oh shit. Oh, I mean. So soon.
Sadlala every weekend
Like every
bafethu
Sunday.
boma Nike boma Jabulani Jabavu
Yeah.
Zola sadlala bafethu.
Yeah, but like Nike Liners means after month end, if you guys are playing there, yeah, I have to come and shoot the whole game or so. Then
Nathi ngizokhwaya kakhulu.
but like so Chubuti,
So tell coach.
yeah, you guys have to that's where I was going. Guti, please ringane
Obvious, yeah. So
ne coach yenu ukuthi yo senze into so isicabanga ukuthi serecorda like a full game kanjani yabo. Even if like okay, let's say maybe a coach must ukhuluma no ubani captain.
What is it?
Oh, okay, all right. Okay, so it means okay. Let's say, of course, I don't know what the scheme ni seta kanjani. If ever ni seta when no coach, maybe the assistant coach or something. Na should go to Spanbani Sonu Shafulu. Kube yini midfielder part lay hamba iphinde ibuya kanjani ubanibani uzoholda kanjani unsako I know you a goaler I saw ama gloves or something kulona
He's strike.
Seka like Sako is striker like lapha like we like keeper weight na ngathi siyabshiya bafethu. Yebo.
yeah what's that
Nah, bengi striker from
but mbona ngathi you a goaler
ngiyabo goal.
Yabazi yazi
oh
yellow bone.
One
No,
yeah.
Don't tell ukhuluma kakhulu.
Yeah.
Uyi goalkeeper lo ya.
but you crowd nje
Maria Shaita yakangazi kwenzakalani ngaye if you are watching.
yeah
Ngazi
Yeah, that's
So
crazy.
if uthi wena amanten and then siyakutshela then soringa no coach akazi ukugaya boma line up
yeah so mina yeah so mina I wanted ukuthi as a Ilona captain no coach nana ma busy ba set scheme ngiba khona like ba busy ba ringa ne record that moment nyanda ne le ba busy ba talk banibani uzoyenza kanje i10 uzogijima banibani 8 uzoba iphatha banibani kanjani ne for that moment nyanda ne then yeah man's gonna be crazy but it's but it's going to be bad so it means you guys gonna tell me which okay siyadlala
if isadlala noma be angithi siyashintsha ungathola ukuthi boma Twix sihlala
somewhere yeah
Twix sihlala boma Jawavu Twix good so sihamba ngetransport yekasi sisuka sonke so if leyo manje wena so shayi na futhi must coach
nina just ringane ne lona ne coach if I can take along then nizova nani then record the whole game nani I wish ngaba nama penalty game Alfuna malan ama penalty
manje sadlala isiku league nje
league
manje yazi league man losing i draw 1.1 point
yeah
soon siyodlala
leagues or yini so idlala soon yabo so bafethu
so you guys you are like that man damn that's crazy
Sibana mase ground singiyagcina bafethu danko you must be serious live by example
oh my goodness so just imagine them after iskimi bash we okay this is how you're gonna play whatever or else damn this is crazy okay
mara mina ngikwazi ukugijima ngizovela la ngikwazi ukugijima
and I'm treating like the whole thing
but I don't care ngishante
yeah 90 minutes non-stop
yeah
I have to shoot the whole thing then mangifika izoba ngathi vlog ne nzo business introducer lapha it's like so set up a camera everyone has said hi guys utsako aka whatever boom then we shift way one ngena shift then you can bhala lapho mina ngizobhizi ngibhala amagama yeah then yeah, damn, that's gonna be crazy.
Ayithole on.
That's gonna be crazy. Damn.
I feel like if our coach bangavuma, somehow it will be night especially abafuna ukuzibona baya kude.
Yeah, because now we are putting, and kunabantu abaningi who love sports and everything. Just imagine watching like a game like out there.
Plus scars and tana.
Yeah.
Nithombe phela sithole.
Yeah, exactly.
Mina bangihera ra.
Says I got video. Just imagine. Damn, this is gonna be crazy. Nani my man got to talk and Jane. Kumele kube nelona as like a picture ya.
Plus thanda nocula kanje.
And so yabo uzocala from a taxi.
Yeah.
Sacula.
That's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Right?
So bafethu since ibhola yini. Wena skara ngathi ubani umuntu obuyela kuwe like inspire.
Yeah.
Langa phesheya ne. Ori
Noma ikuwo.
Saka, my brother from another mother.
Saka.
Yo. You know that guy ne? Bafethu yabona ne? If bokuya ngami, if bathi ukwazi utshontsha amandla umjida owafake kuwe ngoba yeah. Bengafisa like empilweni yabo ngihlale nje ngale out leya. Ngithanda the way idiscipline yakhe noma abantu bamcriticize la yathola baqala bamcriticize azange aphela umoya like aqhubeka ngento ayithandayo ngoba vele uyayithanda azange give up ngathi plus no Pedro yo namcela Pedro
Ngiyacaba.
I hope you have a pesca me.
Dog.
Shout out to you. Ngathi ngangikayela igili zakho ngisifakela enyaweni. Sifakela ngoba lezi ezami sesigugile sisibheke obosikhwama bafethu ya.
Why udlala position bani vele?
Dlala iwinga dlala yo angazi.
Hayi yonke indawo.
Oh, okay.
Angazi dlala mara dlala yonke into ne.
But ukaba
Mara umnandi yonke
right.
indawo.
Yeah, all right.
Left and right.
Mara no left yavuka manje.
Ne.
Shafu.
Shafulu.
Mina Singbe. Hey. I wanna team in favor. Bagani.
Yeah.
This is ngani les plus bangani into analyze. Yizo lezi abomfukeng.
Oh, yeah.
Umkota
Alright,
ayizwa ya.
Fundala iposition mina.
Yazi ntana mngandami.
Says.
Center. Newinga ngiyakwazi.
So center
center ya.
Umuntu oqala.
Winger which one? 8-10 kwenzakala.
Kuya ngidlala running number 11.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, left right kuyafana konke. Yeah.
Ubani usedlala center inspire.
Yeah, obviously ngidlaliwe ngiyakwazi ukudlaliwe ngipasa ngithi bomfukeni.
Yeah.
Then center I think back ayabhakani. Obo bande obo makhehleni so. Ayo. Izinja kakhulu. Yeah.
Fethu ngibukela kubo. Linda Mutlalo but akadlala position yami Linda.
Ngiyabona nabo bambonani.
Bona khala impilo iposition.
Striker.
Striker.
Hilda abo bani. Lona mngani ushade sele losha number 11 ngimbalekela igama lakhe.
Ekora vele.
Yeah, kor.
Wait, we left or right?
Right, yo guys ngonyawana.
Zakusuka
But mina namngani lo makaselebrate lingibalekeni.
Ukhatlana. Ingikhohliwe leya. Ngikhohle kanjani
Yeah.
But mina ebholeni ayikho ngikomi. Nandi so angiziboni ngiyakude nebhola.
What do you mean?
Bani la playlist Sundowns edla njengawe loyana ntana basukani tholakele
Asitholakele ntana number 10.
ubani
Urahale ubani?
whoever you are number 10
Yeah.
Sundowns
Yeah, ngisho ngithi ngizibonile le ngidlala maybe cishe fana naye but mina ngikwazi ukudlala ibhola. So angiziboni ngiyakude nje
Ngiyakwazi ukudlala ibhola.
engenza ukuthi ngiphume entweni ezibhaya engihloniphayo nje but
Yeah,
angiziboni ngiyafair nebhola.
Yeah.
That's why makunama trials angiziphelelela like us.
Shuffle no Skara nina ngena anyway. Mabathi kuna what you guys are going there.
Yeah.
let me tell you something, mina ngami. I'm not a hard worker.
Yeah.
And itala ngibatshele thini.
Yeah.
I'm not a hard worker. I'm talented.
So actually you're more like Messi. You are not like Cristiano Ronaldo who's a hard worker.
Yeah.
Because Ronaldo is hard worker.
Yabona uScara mangashintsha
indlela zakhe.
Yeah, because uScar mnandi kokuqala yonke indawo.
Damn.
Bake bamsuse uyinyeni wayo defender bodlala ni
4
last man, maybe last man.
5 yeah.
But manje ngoba sekabuyile umuntu ehlaleli 5 sekanathi le phambili. But mina uScar I feel like capable of doing anything. But she's sleeping on herself.
Yeah.
For that bafethu ne khona le video ngipostile emalangeni. Ngiyabuya bafethu.
Posted ku TikTok.
WhatsApp. Na ku TikTok
I saw other video that you hangazi ukuthi bobhizi ukitchen match artini ubhizi udlala ibhola or
yes,
something.
that video. Yabona lapho I was discipline. Yabona bafethu ne angazi maybe khula angazi. Yabona like ngiyathanda ibhola ngiyileke bebezoleka amasendi yabo. Yeah. Mara for now I mean vele ngimnani
Mara mina ntwana mawungaziphusha yabo sometimes don't let ubumnandi bakho bukulead on. Yeah. Ungaluza ama opportunities abhaya ngokuzitshela.
Kuzala vele.
Ngami.
Yeah.
Nakaphu yabo uScar advice.
Yeah. It's like I want to know which is like a skip.
No, yeah, no, grand. So ukuthi ayithi amalanga wafani. Yabo manje ngasho ukuthi nje angazi. Yeah.
You're not investing too much when it comes to man.
Angazi singna 3 games like you know bengisifile ukuthi manje la akusiyimi lo.
Yeah.
Akusiyimi lo. So khona le game besidlala last week na last off. Yeah, ngisifilile ukuthi Scar lo sengibuyile. Bafethi ngibuyile ne. Ngicela ningaphela.
Ungayehli ntwana.
Yeah.
Then i-advice yami for lo mngana ayanda kasadlala ibhola. And ayanda ayisangidlala ukuthi nje ayazi ngithi ngazi
mara ntana ungathanda.
Kodwa bafethu ayanda
inkinga lesithole
into engilindile ila ngidlala khona elimpopo.
umnandi
Mara angifuni ukujima yabo.
Ayanda umnandi.
Oh yeah.
Yabona empilweni.
Yeah.
Kufana nokuthi mawufuna ukuba rich expect ukuthi imali icala iphume kuwe before iqala ingene.
Yeah, we invest.
Even lento yenzayo sithole manje ngasho ukuthi idla wena kusasa izoba ibhadala wena.
Yeah, that's true.
So umngani wami ufuna sekuvele kubhadalwe angakaspani. Mina my advice to her as a friend swakala ntwana ujim unawo many months angajim bayambiza le fitness ayikho. Ibhola
Wait. Right now that Izamula Wilonel awudlalela manje. No way, bro.
And ushafuli sithole une experience ababhayi singanayo.
Yeah, shavuli.
Ababhayi abacava ibhola.
Abashavuli bafethu ugelia.
But unganami angazi kwenzakalani ngaye. Olunganami orisekazi nje ukuthi sekamnandi kakhulu.
Yini bro, So very like
and one thing about coach wethu asilo umuntu lothi ayivayela safana wena udlalela ini.
Yeah.
Ucoach wethu is welcoming. Angazi ayidlula iviki ngingakhulumanga naye kuTwana. Sakala ku training. Trainer angali uthumeleni.
And surely by your field if you are a trainer like by
uyadlala uyadlala sithole maybe mongeza ngazi ngoba kajibi umbone.
Khona le game le asavaya noTutu la slide tournament tutazakora.
Uzumbona akathanda uyanyatsa ngakhona. Akakori outside of the box lo. Ungena nebhola eboxini ashaya keeper kora.
Yeah, that's talent.
Yabona ufuke ngikora kanjani? Icala iqeda ama defender slider welele yaqeda keeper welele bese ashaya igoal. Ukwazi kuyenza right but she's sleeping on herself now.
Damn.
But yabona mngani wami as a friend i-advice yami attitude yakho mngani uzoyela impompo uzobuya la.
So wait ngale elipompo udlalela iphi team?
Kanaka.
Oh, okay.
Magezi umngane wami. Akazojima.
Yeah, you must always be fit.
And also
stamina kumele sihlale sibe khona. 90 minutes is not power play. Ugijima 90 minutes grounded.
akafuni. Akafuni.
Ngicabanga if uthola abantu abagijimayo, if ungathola abantu bagijimayo bazokupanisha, uyagcina utshela ukhona
week out uma naye zwakala uzothola ifitness. Also izamlo mina kuzamlo ngifike ngayo.
Yeah.
Ungishiye khona. So izamlo ufana ukuthi imizalile.
Yeah.
Yamenzani. Mara akafuni ukuza.
Damn, that's cool.
Angeke kusasa makathi uyahamba simvalele indlela ukuthi uyapi wena.
Yeah.
But akafuni sithole. Maybe
no man, how be a trainer dog? Like it's time, and you know because you've been playing your whole life.
Because okay, let's say manje mngani uya kuma trials. Yabona into coach ejwayele ukuyitshela umXhosa ukuthi angathathi lento ukuthi une pace bese angajimi. Izomshaya one day lento leyo. Yabo umnandi. Mara let's say more uyahamba okay uyela kanatla ufika Elise le coach yebanyana ifika mngani udlala lapha una stamina you lose opportunity uyakubona umnandi kodwa energy yakhe ngeke izispanele somewhere somehow
30 minutes in the game uphelile manje
indlela yokuya empumeleni uyayikhapha nawe ntwana kuze uzofika lapha uvela ufike kumele uzikhaphe.
Wait, so udlala nini
manje
ulo nyaka sasekhabi nokukhaba nebhola umbuzo yabo mina mangina trials ngize ngisendele yena because okay mina ngizibona ngithi ngiyafika but I know she's capable kodwa umngane wami unale yangcondele ukuthi ngiyalazi ibhola why mele ngenze so mina I feel like nanoma angakaza angitshela I feel like kunjalo ukuthi oh yena uyalazi ibhola why mele yena.
Yeah, that's why even esikoleni because kunalabantwana
bonke labo rile labo babonayo ntwana
they're working so hard to get where they are.
Ukuthi nami kusasa manje ngibona ngithi ayena struggling
wathi ntwana yabe
uhleli so unethemba lokuthi ibhola lizokudlisa more mara lizokudlisa kanjani uhleli ntwana or ucabanga ukuthi ucoach uzoze eminyango wakini athi gogo ngizolanda ayanda ngizwile bathi uyatrapper uyapass uyakora uqeda ifirst touch yakhe inswemi anyeke ntwana
so for now mabapis baya ngale kubona yakhe kuphi I playing so you're serious you're serious vele wait so but it will be a dying star if she's not
amelanga yeke oqala uyakhulu Shavula ntwana now many years kulonyaka
kwegcina athi hayi mina hayi
una many years ngani or uzoba like guy